Alright, hey everyone and welcome to Tuesday. It just got really bright because I'm loading a Shadow's Tale because I'm going to record an episode of it now for Thursday. And then I might record some Mario 64 and possibly some more Shadow's Tale. I mean, probably not much of a Shadow's Tale. But yeah, I mean, I've got a sore throat, you can probably tell by the way I'm talking, so I'm probably just going to do this one episode now that I think about it, but yeah. Alright, I've recorded it. There it is, I'm editing it already. Playing some Super Smash 64, and I quite possibly just sneezed my brains out. I'd been not getting up to get a tissue for a while, and then I went up, got a tissue, and I sneezed, and I'm vlogging. Alright, I won't show you then.
I'm stuck on the wall.
You know, I'm keeping all this in if you don't go. Probably. Are you wanting me to keep all this in?
I don't mind.
Go away, I need to finish telling my sneeze story. I think I just sneezed my brains out.
What happened to your sneeze, Sarah?
Basically, I'll tell Emily while she's here. I got up, I got a tissue, I sneezed, and it hurt, and it felt like I sneezed my brains out, but I can breathe better now. So
Interesting.
yeah, it's the story of today's vlog. And that's the story of today. I sneezed my brains out. Is that seriously all I've vlogged today? It's like all I've done. I can tell that I'm knackered, still got a sore throat, and something on my chest. It's like a bite or something, like a mosquito bite or something, but there's no mosquitoes in Britain, what is that? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Sorry this one's weird. See you guys then.